Hi, everyone. Welcome back. Today, we're taking a fascinating journey through the human vertebral column, exploring all its bones and their unique functions. The vertebral column, or spine, is the backbone of our skeletal system. It's made up of 33 vertebrae, which are divided into 5 regions. Each region has a unique role in supporting our body and allowing movement. First up, the cervical region, located in the neck. It consists of 7 vertebrae labeled C1 to C7. The upper cervical vertebrae are smaller and more mobile, while the lower vertebrae are larger to handle heavier loads. The C1 vertebrae is called the atlas, and the C2 vertebrae is called the axis. The first 2 vertebrae, the atlas and axis, are special because they enable head rotation and nodding. Next is the thoracic region, which includes 12 vertebrae labeled T1 to T12. These vertebrae connect to your ribs, forming the rib cage that protects vital organs like the heart and lungs. Moving down, we have the lumbar region, with 5 vertebrae labeled L1 to L5. These are the largest vertebrae because they bear most of the body's weight. That's why lower back pain is so common. At the base of the spine, there's the sacrum and coccyx. The sacrum consists of 5 fused vertebrae, creating a triangular bone that connects the spine to the pelvis. The coccyx, or tailbone, is made up of 4 fused vertebrae and serves as an attachment point for muscles and ligaments. The vertebral column isn't just a straight rod. It has natural curves that form an S shape. Don't forget, the vertebral column protects the spinal cord, a critical part of the nervous system that connects the brain to the rest of the body. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. For more anatomy-related content, leave a comment below, and don't forget to share this video with your friends. See you next time.